Hello friends, welcome to my channel BuzzPoint. In this video, I am going to explain about one of the learning resource available in the internet which will help technical students like engineering, science, computer application or any other technical course student. The name of the resource is GitHub Education Student Developer Pack. So, without wasting any time, let's dive into the topic. Nowadays, most of the students fails to learn skills which is required to get a job. It's because maybe student focused on things only required for the exam, or maybe lack of the resources to learn the skills, or put his skill into real world scenario. From the past few years, people are migrating into digital world and increased in the global internet usage. Now no one will worry about the data which is used in the internet. As I said, most of the students will not aware of the resource available. So this is my small effort to give information about such resource. One of the most popular resource is GitHub Education Student Developer Pack by GitHub. Let's see how can we register to Git Education platform, how to use it and what all things are in there. Let's open the browser. We'll type GitHub Education. We'll see education.github.com. We'll click on that. Once you are inside, you can see different types of packs: GitHub Student Developer Pack, GitHub Campus Expert, GitHub Teacher Toolbox, GitHub Campus Advisors, GitHub Classrooms, GitHub Campus Program. We are interested in a GitHub Student Developer Pack. Let's click on that. Once you are inside, you can see different types of tools are available in this pack. So using this pack, you can access this for free for a particular amount of time. These are some of the top development tools available in the world. So for a registration, we'll click on students. Then we'll click on get benefit for students, where we register to verify as a student. Then for first question, we'll select as a student. If you're faculty, you can select as a faculty to access a GitHub Teacher Toolbox. Then we'll add email ID. It's better to add a college email ID. It gives a best chance for a speedy review. Otherwise, if you add a Gmail or any other email ID, it may take some time to verify you as a student. If your school name is or college name is not listed above, you can type it here. So then how do you plan to use GitHub? Type it and submit it. Once you successfully submitted the form, your application will go to the GitHub team where you verified as a student. Once you verified as a student, you can be access the student development pack where you will get the student offers. If you are faculty, you can access GitHub Teacher Toolbox. Once you successfully submitted the form, your application will go to use these tools. You can use your GitHub account to access these tools. It's very easy to register to these tools. Let's take example of a data camp. Let's open new tab where we'll type data camp GitHub. Data camp is a famous data science online course tool. We'll click the first option. So using this student developer pack, you can access it for 3 months for free. So this is how you can use this platform to improve your skills. GitHub will partner with these companies so that students can get benefit of these tools. Please use this to improve your skills. That's it for now. Hope you like this video. Keep supporting. I'll be back with more videos. Subscribe to my channel, like it, comment it, share with your friends. Thank you.